So over the next few weeks and months, I'll be releasing the different modules. First, I'm going to come out with the architectural/structural module, and then I'll be releasing the plumbing module, then the mechanical module, and then the electrical module. So stay tuned and make sure you visit BIMitUp.com because that's where the real thing's going to be posted. If you're already a patron, you might get an email like this to join the program. So once you click here, you'll have access to the Revit Multi-Trade program. Then I'm going to click OK here. And then for me, it's free because I'm the creator, right? So eventually it will be a paid program. But if you're an active patron, we might be able to work something out. So I'm going to click here on join. You'll also get an email welcoming you to the program where you can click on that link and it takes you directly to the program. You can also join the program using the mobile app, or you can click here and it takes you to the browser version of the program. Then you have access to the different submodules here. Introduction, then the site. You have 3 videos for the site, then architectural and structural. You have a bunch of videos. My recommendation is that you follow the sequential order because that's the natural flow of the course. And then eventually I'll be uploading the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing modules. I'm going to click here on start. I'm going to start with the introduction and let's see why Revit.
So let's get a feel for Revit. Let's open up Revit 2025.
I can maximize.
Let's start a new project. I'm going to keep the Imperial multidiscipline template.
I can even change the speed.
Draft a rectangular room here in the top left corner.
If you want to pause it, grab a sandwich, come back. So you get the idea, right? Now you go continue, or it goes to the next one automatically. And then you can move sequentially through the program and it keeps track of your progress. So again, I really hope you enjoy this and I'll see you there. And if you find this content valuable, there are many ways you can support it. You can like the video, you can leave a comment down there. It really helps me out. You can subscribe to the channel, you can review it on Google, you can join our Patreon community and support it directly. You can give super thanks. There's a button somewhere down there. Buy me coffee, keeps me awake, keep doing videos. As simple as that. You can spread the word with coworkers on social media, and you can recommend my services so I can help them out.